What's up, Odooers, and welcome back. Imagine you're a warehouse packer at a third party logistics company or a 3PL distribution center for specialized medical equipment. The products, they don't belong to us, they're owned by many different companies. So every order comes with its own unique packing rules. Some items need to be kept frozen, others just refrigerated, and some can't be packed with fragile or hazardous materials. Because the rules vary so widely, it's impossible to train every packer on every detail. Workers spend minutes flipping through manuals, and even then, mistakes still happen. Products get packed together incorrectly, shipments are delayed, and your throughput suffers. Instead of relying on memory or lengthy training, AI can instantly read product descriptions, reference a rules file, and generate clear packing instructions. Any packer, even a new hire, can handle specialized orders accurately and quickly. On average, AI helps packers lower their spend time from reading rule sheets from 2 to 5 minutes to about 15 seconds. With about 40 orders per shift, that's 1 to 2 extra hours saved per worker, enough to pack an additional 15 to 20 more orders each day. New hires typically take 2 to 3 weeks to become productive. With AI instructions guiding them, they can be effective within 2 to 3 days, a 70 to 80% reduction in ramp up time. Now, since every order is checked with the same rules, it eliminates variation between packers. That consistency prevents dozens of mispacks each week that would normally slip through due to uneven training or even just human error. Instead of chasing down packing errors, warehouse managers can spend their time refining packing rules to drive even higher outputs. Now, let's see a live demo of how AI generates packing instructions. To begin, we need to prompt AI to decide how to generate packing instructions. To do that, we'll upload a file that we created that contains all the various packing operations and rules that the AI can reference. To do that, we're going to click Configuration at the top, followed by Operation Types, and here we'll select Packed. In the Packages section, I created this co-pack rules file and uploaded this document. In this document, we tell AI exactly what can't be packed together no matter what, and some shipping condition categories to cover instances when a product is not explicitly listed in the packing rules. Here at the bottom, there are some examples for the AI to contextualize. Now, let's see how the AI prompt generates packing instructions. Here on our overview menu, we're just going to click the one to process on our pack card, and here we'll open up the order for biomedical lab. So here we see there's a PCR master mix, which we've logged the storage and temperature constraints in the description that appears directly below. And it looks like this item must stay frozen. Then they also ordered the monoclonal antibody, which needs to be kept cold but not frozen. Okay, so now to take a deeper look at this, we're going to open up our Studio app at the top, and we're going to click into our additional info tab. Scroll down and click into our packing instructions field. And then here we can see the prompt on the left, and we're just going to click into this to open it up. In the prompt, we're referencing the co-pack rules file and all the products in the sales order. Then we have a task section, and we ask the AI to classify the product's handling class from the product description and then generate packing instructions, including whether the products can be packed together. In the output section, this lists the product's name, packing instructions, and compatibility. Now, let's see this in action. I'm just going to close this out. Then we'll click back into the additional info tab. And all we have to do is click this AI icon next to packing instructions to run the prompt. And check that out. It analyzed the product descriptions and our packing instructions file to determine whether these items can be packed together. And they must not, so I'll be packing them separately. And there you have it. You saw how we generated the packing instructions that consider both product descriptions and the attached packing rules file. These benefits go beyond the warehouse floor. Every client's rules are enforced consistently, reducing errors and delays. That means account managers can spend less time managing mistakes and fixing damaged client relationships, and more time building stronger working partnerships. And for the finance team, fewer mispacks mean fewer rework hours, reships, and penalties, which flow straight into cleaner margins. And that's how AI can save you time looking up packing rules.